Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SoSoValue token. Ticker symbol is SOSO. Now this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 24th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. You can find them on Etherscan. Name of the token is SoSoValue, all one word. Ticker symbol is SOSO. 18 decimal places on this token. There's a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. And it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow. Exactly January 24th at 10 a.m. UTC time, the SOSO token will be listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token here and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search SOSO, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So SoSoValue is an AI-powered investment and research platform that integrates the efficiency of CeFi within the transparency of DeFi. It addresses the key challenges faced by investors in the cryptocurrency market, where the rapid expansion of information and the surge of tokens across various blockchain ecosystems often make it difficult for investors to effectively navigate and manage their portfolios for sustainable wealth management. So the SoSoValue platform comprises two main components: a comprehensive crypto market research tool and a decentralized SSI protocol. The latter, which is built on the EVM, the AI-driven research tool, acts as the central hub, filtering and synthesizing vast streams of market data to provide clear and actionable insights. And at the same time, the decentralized SSI protocol offers a decentralized investment portfolio, bypassing traditional barriers such as high fees, slow settlement times, and regional market access limitations. And this provides all users with a fair, low-barrier approach to wealth management, allowing investors to fully benefit from the industry growth and capital gains. By integrating the strength of CeFi and DeFi, SoSoValue delivers a groundbreaking solution that enhances decision-making and optimizes investment strategies, fostering more efficient, transparent, and effective cryptocurrency investment and wealth management. So the problems that they're trying to solve is the information gap and fragmented concepts. So SoSoValue aims to become the trusted platform and home for every crypto investor. So it says here that the solution, AI makes it possible. So it says SoSoValue starts with the end goal in mind. Beginning with the key elements of investment decision-making, it aggregates and organizes market information, enabling investors to truly understand the market. And to achieve this, SoSoValue has reclassified and reorganized data across the entire network, enabling 7 key sections from the investment perspective. Number 1, crypto market overview. The crypto market dashboard is divided into 4 parts. Overview of the secondary market, overview of the primary market, crypto-related ETF dashboard, and on-chain secondary market overview. With this feature, investors can quickly access real-time data on the secondary market trends and sentiment, primary market innovations and developments, external financial market influences, and the broader ecosystem's growth of the financial blockchain. And this holistic view provides a macro level of understanding of the market's current state, allowing investors to grasp the core dynamics of the cryptocurrency market. So number 2, they have the sectors and indices. Number 3, tokens and projects. Number 4, news and research. Number 5, macroeconomics. Number 6, on-chain data. And number 7, research community token bar. So you can read more about all of those 7 features there on their document section, which you can find on their webpage. So the document section is sosovalue-white-paper.gitbook.io. And it says AI makes it possible it says generative AI is revolutionizing investment research in 3 key areas through data processing, analysis and alerts, and personalization. Leading the revolution in crypto investment with research and AI. The protocol makes it reliable. So they have, it says to achieve this, the SSI protocol integrates 6 types of participants to build a robust protocol ecosystem. Number 1, the user. Number 2, UniLP. Number 3, WLP. Number 4, proactive market maker. Number 5, custody. And number 6, index compilers. So the tokenomics here, we have the token, so you can be used for governance. So holders can vote on proposals for the SoSoValue protocol and participate in platform decisions, including protocol upgrades, parameter adjustments, and new key features. So the token can also be used for the EXP system, protocol point system, data proofreading bounty system. And there's going to be staking for premium features and protocol participant deposits as well. Now the token here, 33% goes to the core contributors, 3.5% partners, 17% foundation, 30% ecosystem and airdrops, 16.5% goes to investors. And like I said earlier, this token will be getting a very big brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on MEXC Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.